So now what we gotta do is pull out the electrical system in here. Gotta rewire this sucker because it's pretty nasty. Lots of oil and stuff, and a lot of the just all sorts of fun stuff. So I'm gonna get to pulling all of these guys out, going through trying to save as much as we can. See where we gotta build from. Pop all these guys out. Pretty easy, especially with the wheel out of the way. Nice. This guy. Oh, one more. And free now. So pull that out. So we're taking out this rear end. We got all these bolts nice and broken loose now. It's great working on a car that's not rusted to crap. So we got the rear shock. We got the lower trailing arm and the upper. Now we gotta take these sway bar links off. Alright, now we're going to take off the upper panhard bar. That should be pretty easy. So we'll get to that. It's already loose. The sucker will spring up too once you get this out, so just be careful. Tap it up. Let's move this out. Make sure you support this guy on your jack stand too, so when this comes up, your diff doesn't start dropping more than you expect it to. What's great is to soak everything with WD-40 a day or two before and just spray it a few times. So now we got to take out these headlights, and 3 on this side and 3 on this side as well. I need to get off the lights so I can get the rest of this wiring harness out. So, let's get those off. So you can see, sort of, here, the relay right here for the pop-up headlights. That needs to get unplugged. And you have to route your headlight wire out from underneath the, so you have to route it, so there's your pop-up. You have to route it under there and around, down in here. See that, and that'll let you get the rest of the, and there we go. Got the whole harness out. No more wiring in there for now. So now we gotta get through, take everything out of the interior, start building a new harness for the thing. Making some progress.